Sometimes life is hard. Sometimes I'm afraid. Sometimes I cry. But that doesn't mean I'm weak. It doesn't mean I need fixing. It means I'm human and I'm doing the best I can every day. We can't decide where we come from, but we can decide where we'll go. After finishing university last month, I decided to not searching for a job that cages me in an office staring on a screen every day. I do not feel very healthy or warm in German cities, so I will move on to find a place where I feel home and where I can do creative stuff like this. And let me say, it's on you how to live your life, because it's not society's, it's your life.